What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a good day so far. Today I will be doing a video on custom print DIY t-shirts, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I am going to start by laying out my plain t-shirt, and I got this t-shirt from H&M. You can get a t-shirt for wherever you please. I just like the feel and the cut of their t-shirts, so that's where I chose to go. Your materials that you need will be, of course, a plain t-shirt, the pictures that you choose to use, saran wrap, wax paper, and scissors. So I'm going to start by choosing the picture that I want to use, and I'm going to cut off the excess white around it. Make sure you are cutting as carefully as possible so that you do not have any curves and dips within your picture. Next, I am going to make sure that my picture is aligned correctly on the t-shirt before moving forwards. Make sure I have it in the space that I want it. Then you're going to take a piece of the saran wrap, lay it on top of the t-shirt, and place your picture on top of that piece of saran wrap, and just wrap it around the picture, making sure that everything is flat and smooth so that you don't cause any bubbles when sticking the picture to the t-shirt. Once the picture is completely wrapped in a saran wrap, I'm just going to make sure it is aligned correctly on the t-shirt again, and then I will place my wax paper on top. And when you're placing your wax paper on top, make sure that you do not move the picture underneath, because then you'll have to realign it before ironing it down. Once everything is aligned, I'm just going to take my iron. I started at the lowest setting, and then I went to the middle setting, and then I worked my way up to the highest heat, making sure that you do not burn the paper right away if you do at all. Just making sure that the plastic underneath is being fully melted. As I was melting it down, I would pull back the paper just a little bit, just to see if it was melting down and sticking, and if I felt as though it needed to be ironed some more, I would continue with the process. As you're melting down your picture, you want to be sure to direct most of your attention towards the edges of the picture, just to make sure that they are sticking down properly. Of course, pay attention to the entire picture, but the edges is what's going to help that picture stay down longer. If you feel as though it's properly melted down, you can put the iron down and slowly fold back and remove the wax paper from the picture. And there you have it. You have now created your own custom print t-shirt. I hope it turns out well for you. One mistake that I made during this was the folding of the wax paper while melting down the picture. I'm not sure if you can see within this video, but there are a few melted creases within my picture on the t-shirt. But other than that, I think it was successful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.